Here's a video of Holly reading. Okay, go ahead, Holly.
Bubba, bat.
Yeah, what's the next word?
Sat.
Good job.
Mat.
Matt, good job.
Pat.
Good job, Holly.
Hat.
Yep, you got it.
Mama. Mama. What does I mean?
I remember
Hat.
Not ah, Sit. Good job.
Mom. Uh-oh. What is it again?
Remember, same thing as sit.
Hot.
No, not ah, You can do it. Go ahead.
It. Hit.
Good job. Say bye.